Hey my Legion, how y'all doing today? We're doing a birthday celebration, Hibachi Japanese Steakhouse. Now I can't guarantee, I'm not going to guarantee I'll be filming the whole thing with the guy preparing the food and stuff. It's just too tough to film. I'll try to film what I can. This is what it looks like right here. Not too busy. It don't open until 3 o'clock. So in downtown Erie. I mean, I'll film what I can. But I mean, when the guy preparing the stuff, it's too labor intensive. I can't set up a tripod or anything like that. It's just too much, but I'll film what I can do. So I'm letting you know right now, you know, the guy preparing everything, you know, it's tough to film. Alright. So, it's like a 3-course meal too. So I'll film what I can. Okay. It's pretty cool inside. But they don't get the business, I mean, because they were having problems because of COVID just like everyone else. But now, it's being a lot better. We have to wear a mask, so, which is fine. Alright. See you outside. I got the waterfall here too. Pretty nifty. Makes you want to go usually. Probably. Here's what it looks like, just empty. Like I said, I can't guarantee it'll be filming when the guy's doing stuff, you know. I can film a little bit of stuff.
He looks like he's
that looks pretty cool.
Oh, no.
Very dark. They were the first people here.
Yeah, most definitely.
It said pick things out. Like the hibachi dinners, the crate your combo. Choose 2, New York steak, teriyaki chicken. I'm gonna get the shark steak and New York steak. Sounds good. And I get the fried noodles, which is $3. That's 19 and 3. And I guess my nephew's paying for everything. Thank you, AJ.
No problem.
I don't know why I said that.
Cool. Awesome. Yeah, that sounds good. Thank you. I might for an appetizer. I'm gonna get the eel roll for $6.50. Okay.
Go ahead with the orders, guys.
Instead of that the eel thing for $6.50, I got the freshwater eel sushi for $6. That's coming up. Yeah, here's the first course, the soup. Look at that onion and stuff in it. Really good. And look at this thing right there. Hey. That's a really good soup. Really hot and fresh, but we got seasonings.
Yeah, and they pop out. I'm telling you, my dad.
That's really good.
Well, there's nothing like when you
10 out of 10. Even Dad liked this.
when you're in a tank top.
But Dad's not a big fan of this stuff, but it's good. Okay, and back with the salad coming up next. Okay, here's the salad you're given. There's carrots. It's like a house salad with tomatoes, and lettuce, carrots. Tomatoes. So good.
But we barely used it. Like for the first, like when we first started trying it and we liked it, you know, we don't have to know. A new French toast bagel.
Oh, hello.
What is it? 10 out of 10? Hello?
Thank you. We all been here before?
Awesome.
Check you out.
Check this out.
Hey, you got birthday, right?
Awesome.
Birthday.
Awesome. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And here's the eel sushi. Yeah, it looks really good. I never had it before.
Sushi with a fork.
Oh no.
No, it's okay. No tip.
Mmm.
Good ha, yummy ha. Everything good?
Yeah, that was awesome.
Good, yeah, lovely, okay.
That's wonderful. That's a 10 out of 10. Yep.
Yep.
So you've been here, right?
Yep, we've been here before.
Oh, yeah.
It's been a while.
Except for last year, because we heard it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Last year, why didn't you call me? I come to your house.
I
didn't know. Yeah, look me on Amazon. one day shipping, local, 2 days.
That's sushi.
Okay,
The wasabi is expensive.
That's you, buddy.
Oh, thank you, my friend.
No problem.
Thank you for this. Yeah, you love me, huh?
Amen.
Yeah, fried rice for you. Here you go. Then you play up.
Thank you very much. Oh, delicious.
Yeah, this is more for you.
Oh, man, that's a lot of rice. Thank you, sir.
Hungry.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Yeah, you know his birthday. That's the ball.
Wasabi is not bad. Noodle sushi is a 10 out of 10. And you got the veggies right here. Look at that. So good.
You like your steak cooked, sir?
Well, I mean, I'm not going to do the whole thing, just a little bit. Maybe a steak right there, a shark right there. Fantastic. I know.
Yeah, thank you.
Try the medium rare mule strip steak.
There you go.
Thank you.
Appetizer shrimp.
Try the shrimp out.
And an appetizer from her. Yep. Yeah, she loves you long time.
Yeah, I like it.
10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Fantastic.
Really good?
You're doing a great job, buddy.
Yeah, not bad for second day, right?
Yeah.
Love me, okay?
You got that grilled shark right in the middle. Right, fantastic so far. Let's try the shark out.
No, I tried.
Right, bread and chicken for you.
It's delicious.
Thank you.
10 out of 10. Let's try it with yum yum sauce. And soy sauce too.
Maybe when
And we still got fried noodles to go too.
maybe back whenever I was still growing, I could have finished the whole plate.
Everything's so good.
Delicious.
Very good. Okay. Try the fried noodles, fresh off the grill. And that. So good, very filling.
Yeah, you want to open them out and catch them straight today.
I'll do that too.
Picture me in high school.
I love it.
I'm gonna have to take the rest to go.
Oh, I'm gonna take the rest.
I'm really impressed. Everything was so good. Man, usually you get the shark, they don't give you a big, I got a giant piece of shark in this too. It was wonderful. Everything was fantastic. The guy did a great job. So it's 10 out of 10. I thank my nephew for paying for this too. Hope you liked the video, buddy.
That was a rough day. That was a rough day. Whenever
The steak is perfect too.
And we went in there and she just looked like she was sleeping so peacefully.
Like I said, until next time, everybody, please take care.
Had her set up just
Wonderful.
like she would in bed. And
Oh,
she was alive. And she
Yeah, thank you to my nephew for paying for everybody. I mean, it gets expensive there, but it's cool to go there. Like, we go last year, like once a year for like a sister, you know, for a couple birthdays, right? They get a free meal for a birthday, they get like a free cheesecake, and it was, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 people. It came about $173 and some odd cents, so it does get pricey. Well, I hope you like this video, buddy. Till next time, please. Take care, Malikan.
Jason Callan, your YouTube channel kicks ass. Everyone should go and subscribe to Jason freaking Callan, the hot sauce king pin of them all. Yeah.
Action shot. Action shot.